Hi everyone, I'm Chef Ann, and today we're going to make a JennAir recipe using our app. So I'm going to go into the app and I am going to find the JennAir custom recipes, and I'm going to make the crunchy potato casserole. So you can see I've got all my ingredients, I've got a nice picture. It tells me how long it's going to take. So let's just get this together. First, I'm going to mix up the sour cream mixture, and that has butter and sour cream. I've melted the butter. I've got some cream. Then I've got my garlic. I'm going to put my salt and pepper in there. Now what I'm going to do is I am just going to whisk this all together. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this over the hash browns. And then we're going to mix this all up. I'm going to take my casserole dish and I will pour this in. Then I'm just going to kind of spread this out. Now I'm going to sprinkle my cheese. And I kind of like doing a little bit of cheese. Then I will sprinkle the Rice Krispies. And then I put cheese on top of that. I am actually going to show you how to put this in the oven, but using my creations on the JennAir V2 Convection built-in wall oven. So let me turn on the oven. So we've got this screen up. I'm going to choose the upper oven. And then I'm going to scroll down and look for my creations. So I want to create new. So I'm going to press next. And then I'm going to bake this on Convect Bake at 350 degrees. Press next. How to monitor this? I want to set a timer. I'll do that for 40 minutes. You can see how nice it is to be able just to kind of scroll. All right, then I'm going to set that. Now if you notice, there are different stages I can do. If I want to do my creations and just use one stage, I can certainly do that. Because when somebody else comes to use the oven, if they want to use this recipe, it's already programmed in here, and all they have to do is touch it and start it, all right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 3 stages. I'm going to bake, broil, and keep warm. Now I'll move to stage 2. And I am going to add. So as I said, I'm going to broil. Because our broiler is really hot, I'm just going to do this for a minute. We'll press next. And yes, I want to use a timer. I'm just going to do it for 1 minute. And I'll set that. So now I'm going to go into stage 3. And I want to add, I just want to keep this warm for about 10 minutes. I am going to keep warm. That's a good temperature. Yes, I want to set the timer, and we'll do that for 10 minutes. Then I'm going to set it. And now I'm going to save this. Now it's going to ask me to name my creation. So I will save it as Crunchy Potato Casserole. And I'll save it. Now we want to press start. Wait for it to preheat, and when you're all ready, then you put the casserole in and you start it. All right? All right, so let's place this in the oven. And I want you to watch. The timer starts. Our crunchy potato casserole is all ready, so I'm going to take it out of the oven.